Dumelang Lord, this is your girl Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, I am obviously heartbroken because I lost my previous channel at 8k subscribers. Please do give your girl some love. My landlords, Umkhokha The Curse is conquering because Umamzobe is breathing through the wound. We saw Uguti girl tried everything to leave the bag in the taxi. Uguti skwama sisale nje ugail wayenza ama plan. But iskwama sathi ngithi. Do not find yourself stealing iskwama sesangoma ne ngoba uzoba senkingeni. Iskwama sathi awudede. Iskwama sahala lona. Iskwama sahana. Like iskwama sabuya. Umamzobe makayobheka eminyango ukuthi ubani usisi bekanaye eTaxini or bekase eTaxini enye athi ngilethi isikhwaba. Ugel ukwatile uthethisa isikhwaba usithethisa ngathi isikhwaba siyakwazi ukukhuluma. Kuthi hey wena ungakujwayeli kabi. Ngikushiye kuphi ngakushiya kuphi ubuyile. Githi even when she went to the sangoma buzi sangoma uthi sangoma manje kwenzakalani bakunje sangoma athi you must give it to Uzoto. But like how do I give it to Uzoto because Uzoto is no more. Athi no problem because Uzoto is no more. Angazi how did it come about ukuthi igama likaMabusi limention athi Danko, that is the rightful owner. Mabusi is the one that is supposed to have the bag. So now my question is, Mabusi is going to be a medical doctor, abe a traditional doctor? Because angisho but uMamzobe bekayisebenzisa for ukulawyer isikhwama, but the initial owner ubaba uMzobe bekayisebenzisa for healing. So should he in a way kuzoyenzakalani? Because uNokubonga went and approached uMamzobe at I want my womb back. Then uMamzobe was like, we can't talk about such things here. So I'm like, now all of a sudden Umabusi is going to be a sangoma. Does this mean ukuthi Umabusi is going to heal a problem yaka Nokubonga, or what's going to happen? But hey, isikhwama thing shem I say sila sibizi ngaso sila. If you didn't see the barking the teaser, go to the teaser uyozizwela ukuthi ithini indaba yesikhwama. With that said, uZamcolo tried to talk to uPhakathwayo who said I cannot be go back to the position. And then uZamcolo asked ukuthi who do you recommend? We all know ukuthi abantu bazorecommenda uNdlovu. I don't know who can they put up abafa or Fostofi or Stafana or what or balethe uMaphala lomusha, because really it's just not giving. uNdlovu, we know him ukuthi nje he's hungry for power, he's hungry for money. Ingqondo yakhe nje inokuthi lahle speak. But nonetheless uPhakathwayo cannot do ama-chores wakhe as uZamcolo's right hand man because uyagowisha shem. Then uMabusi tells uZamcolo isiphiri sakanokubonga, and uZamcolo uthi we can help her but only if yena uyazizela and her heart is willing. I'm like, girl, but this is a secret, so why are you telling your man? Yo angazi ukuthi uzomtshela uNokubonga kuzoyenzakalani. Asas into esiyaziyo nje right now ukuthi isikhwama sivuna uMamzobe high and low. This is your girl Disebo D. Please do like, share and subscribe.